Hey everybody, I'm doing a vlog and it is like, it's 10:25 and we have a lightning storm going on. It's pretty cool.
Did you connect?
Yeah, I have Wi-Fi.
And a guy was just pulling up and you go, hey. I was like, hi.
So anyway, we're searching for Pokemon and Pokemon Go.
I was like, no, but we're just getting started.
So anyway, we got lightning out here. It's pretty cool. See? Yeah, we got a lightning storm out here. So.
Honestly, I didn't play hardly any today. Actually, what made my battery go down was I left my Walmart app open on scan.
Oh, right over there. Pocket carrot. Well, I am looking over here with my camera on here.
So I'm only playing on
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That was cool.
on my new one for Team Instinct.
Wow. What?
Look how high his character is.
That's pretty cool. Whoa. You got some pretty sick Pokemon there.
Who are you talking to? Are you just recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna post a YouTube video when I get back home.
Oh, cool.
Hey, stop!
Ooh, there's a Rattata.
So my mom is down
That
here.
one today.
That one's really cute.
Wait, can I see? Oh, it's a Golbat. It's a
Golbat.
pretty cool. Oh,
Are you sure you don't want to hang out with us?
I do. I'd love to.
And with the lightning and stuff? I wish you didn't have to work all day today. Tonight is phenomenal. This is like an amazing night.
I can tell you this, tomorrow,
anyway, so we got a Cabela's over there, and we got a JC Penney's. We're at Mesa Mall. We got a Best Buy over there, McDonald's,
and I'm gonna swim,
Wendy's.
and then I'm gonna lay on that lounger. I just might sleep.
We just came back from Buffalo Wild Wings, so
That's pretty cool.
yeah. And then the Outback is there's an Outback over there. You can see the red lights. That's the Outback.
I love you guys.
I love you.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. I just gave my stepdad a sandwich, so Garrett.
Peace out, fools.
Peace out, fool.
Okay.
We're gonna go over to Sherwood.
All right, have fun.
I wish I had my Fitbit on me.